Today we are cooking a really easy and healthy recipe, rice and butternut. I know you will love it. Let's start cooking. For this recipe, we will need a medium size butternut that will cost us 8 rand, 2 stock cubes that cost 2 rand, a full cup of rice that will cost us 4 rand. It will cost us 14 rand to feed 3 people. We will need 3 cups of water. Use hot water. Remember to boil the water in a kettle to save electricity. Three cups of water, and you bring your butternut. Remember, please cut your butternut into small cubes so it cooks easily. And add your stock cubes as well. Then we boil all this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your butternut is almost cooked. Oh, the stock cube has dissolved. Bring the washed rice in as well. Cook all of this. Don't forget to be stirring from time to time for the next coming 10 minutes. We want the rice to have the butternut flavor and the stock cube flavor as well. After 10 minutes of stirring and checking from time to time, our rice now it's ready to serve. Let's serve our rice. Wow, it looks nice, like the color and the aroma of the butternut as well. Wow, it's actually delicious. Please watch my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Until next time, stay safe.